these products in the sessions dedicated for this ILG portfolio. So watch out this space to hear more during the conference. Okay, so now we know so IBM Enterprise Content Management has the broadest and richest portfolio in the market, allows very common use cases to be achieved in a very efficient and optimized manner. Right? It provides an extensible portfolio capable of scaling with our customer needs. Volume, breadth, the range of use cases across the industries. Includes the transactional content management, you have the social content management, process optimization, the governance capabilities we've talked about, and information access, and analytic capabilities to find the right information at the right time to get insights to optimize your business results. So this snapshot gives you an overall, view of what ECM sessions, what ECM sessions are going to be during the conference. If you look at across all the 5 key areas of ECM, you have the capture, what we call it as the basic content management. So you have the data cap taskmaster sessions, and you have the case foundation, IBM case foundation 5.2, and you get to hear also about IBM Content Manager on Demand, CMOD. And on the socialize, you have this content navigator, which we talked about. So you will get to hear. And also you have a session which talks in detail about how to develop this plugin extensions and custom actions in Content Navigator so that you will be able to build your components to build your overall solution, right? And in the ILG space, Information Lifecycle Governance, you have an ILG primer session which covers all the solution areas we talked about in the archival, e-discovery, and governance. And also you have a session on stored IQ. We talked about a recent acquisition. So very interesting session. Make sure you attend this. Now coming to case management, advanced case management. So we have these sessions spreading across the case manager product, right from extending and customizing the case manager according to your requirements using the most popular Dojo framework and widgets. Then we talked about some smarter content solution in the area of fraud detection and analysis. That is IBM IIM, Intelligent Investigation Manager. So you have a session to talk about it. And importantly, IBM Case Manager, what's new? So what's new in the IBM Case Manager? What's going to come? So you get a chance to hear in these sessions. And of course, many of the customers so far before Case Manager are on our BPM and BPF platforms. So you have a session. So we have our SMEs coming and talking about how exactly you can plan your transition, right? What's the methodology behind transitioning from your BPF to ICM? So you get to know more about in these sessions. And in analytics space, you have healthcare smart content solution. We talked about IPCI, that's IBM content, patient insights. And also you have a session on content analytics. So you have around 16 plus sessions, a deep dive technical sessions. These are few technical sessions. It provides you architecture, it provides you the capabilities, and it gives you also insights into what are the best practices you have to follow across. And a few of the customer success stories will be shared with you, how they dealt with these problems and how they could able to overcome these customer architecture challenges. So there's a lot of information among the sessions. So I would recommend and suggest you to plan in advance and make sure that you attend them on time. Next, of course, we always love to talk about our products, right, at IBM. So we talk about products we are fascinated, we are excited about the kind of things we are working on, we are developing, and we are building the smarter content solutions. But in this conference, it's not just about all we talk about and we tell about our products, right? There's a lot for you as well, right? We have a hands-on labs wherein you can get your hands dirty on these, solutions, what we talk about. Practically, literally, you can build a solution, a sample solution. So we have excellent hands-on solutions to help you to do some labs where you gain knowledge, you gain hands-on knowledge. So once you complete these hands-on labs, so you'll be able to, even go for a certifications, right? There is a lot of complementary certifications. So IBM professional certifications, what you do in this space, you have a complementary certification schedules. So please check the agenda, IMTC conference catalog. and plan for and book your slots in advance so that you can go and give the certification. I promise if once you attend these sessions and if you are able to do the hands-on lab sessions, I'm sure you will be able to get certified on the spot, right? So please plan carefully, and of course, importantly, meet the expert session. So it's very, very important. You are going to have experts from worldwide coming to this conference. So make sure you check the catalog, you check the agenda, and see the sessions where they are happening, and go there and participate. Talk with the experts, know from them how these problems, your customer problems which you are trying to solve, have been already solved in the various geos, in the various industries, how they have been solved. So it's a very good opportunity for you to establish a relationship, right? So you can interact with them on their wikis, blogs, you can just connect it with them. So make sure you leverage most of these meet the expert sessions, right? These are not formal sessions again, like someone will be presenting something, and it's all about discussions. So multiple folks comes from different industries, different fields, and they talk about a problem, and they ask any questions. If they want to have a roadmap discussions, you want to understand what's going to happen next. Okay, what's the next big thing happening in the case management? What's the next big thing in the capture, right? So you get to hear from them. So they will be able to share you a wealth of information. So I would strongly recommend and suggest to make most of this conference time, right?